What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another one on Gala. Finally some green candles from Gala. As you can see guys, it's pumped up just about 5% in the last 24 hours, nothing major, and it's currently trading at 0.05513 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is it going to keep pumping? Is it going to hit that 6 cents target over the coming hours, or is it going to drop back down in value? So that's what we're going to be going through, looking at, is it time to buy, is it time to sell, or is it just time to hold on to it? And looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2023, looking at how far can Gala go and how high can it go potentially throughout the whole year. So before I go any further guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram, link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, we are currently on the Coinbase website. The market is up just about 1.4% in the last 24 hours, nothing major. And we have got Gala, which has pumped up just about 0.5% in the last hour. In the last 24 hours, over 5%. Over the week, 2%. As you can see, no major movements. Even though it's been quite volatile, overall it has maintained its current value over the last 7 days. And that's why Gala has been very quiet guys over the last few days. And over the month, it is still up 138%, with major increases back in January. But yeah, since it hit February, it's been a little bit quiet, meaning very minimal increases in value. So let's go onto the CoinMarketCap website. Here we can see the trading volume has gone up by 50% in the last 24 hours after a very long time. Not very long time, that's a bit exaggerating, but yeah, after a couple of days guys, it's gone up in trading volume, making it $263 million, meaning more people are starting to trade the crypto right now, as it is pumping up in value. So we are going to see more buyers as well as more sellers. So in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto right now, because it's finally starting to make some movements after a couple of days. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction. And at the top, we've got the daily chart of the candlestick pattern with the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Gala, which is 0.053. However, it is trading at slightly higher value here in green at 0.055, meaning it's performing quite well and slightly better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction, meaning minimal increases in value are expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say by midday tomorrow, I'm expecting Gala to be trading at 0.058 to 6 cents target. In between this is where I'm expecting Gala to be trading at by midday tomorrow. Again, yes, it is going to dip in value as well. We are going to see red candles, we are going to see green candles, but at the moment the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So potentially heading towards the 6 cents target is what I'm expecting. It's not going to be a pump out of nowhere. It's going to be a slow and steady increase in value over the next couple of hours, leading on to the 6 cents target. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking quite bullish. We've got the blue and the orange line looking positive. Again, one of the reasons why it's looking quite steep is because of the increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. But again, yes, I myself am expecting an overall increase in value from Gala over the next 7 to 8 days. So let's say by mid next week, I'm expecting Gala to be trading heading towards the 7 cents target is what I'm expecting. Again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green days for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are going to have red days when it's down, green days when it's up, but the overall outcome seems to once again be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. So do expect an overall minimal increase in value from Gala, hopefully heading towards the 7 cents target by mid next week is what my expectations are. Now moving on to the daily chart, not looking as bullish, guys. We've got the blue and the orange line heading downwards, look towards a negative direction, looking quite bearish, meaning an overall drop in value is what is expected from Gala over the coming weeks. However, that's not what I'm predicting, guys. I am indeed expecting an overall increase in value from Gala over the coming 6 to 8 weeks. So late March, early April, I'm expecting Gala to be trading around the 8 to 9 cents target. I would say 10 cents, but again, I would rather give it a little bit more time to hit the 10 cents target. Potentially mid to late April is when I'm expecting it to hit the 10 cents target, but for now I'm going to leave it from 8 to 9 cents by late March and early April. Again, depending on the crypto market conditions, for example, any crashes or pumps can have a major impact on the value of not just Gala but the whole crypto market in general. But these are my predictions as of right now, and as always, guys, you guys have asked for regular updates on Gala, which I have been doing and I will be doing as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far it is looking good for Gala. However, yes, I know over the last 2 to 3 weeks, as you can see, there hasn't been much movement. So since the mid-January, so it's been about nearly 4 weeks now, a month, we haven't had much movements from Gala. As you can see, it's been up and down, green candles, red candles, but overall it has been maintaining its current price range of 5 cents. Yes, the first 2 weeks of January were absolutely crazy for Gala, guys. As you can see, it started from about 1 cent, and in a space of 2 weeks it went up to 5 cents, nearly hitting 6 cents, and ever since that it's been very quiet. But hopefully for the rest of the year we can slowly and steadily gain value, heading up towards about the 40 to 50 cents target towards the very end of the year. But again, depending on any collaborations or projects that Gala themselves they've got going on, can have a major impact on its value. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale. As you guys can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and we've got quite a long way to head into the resistance target, which is 20 cents, which I'm hoping we should be able to hit by mid-year this year, guys. So around, let's say, June, July time, we should be able to hit the resistance target here and potentially head into the green zone towards the second half of the year, and potentially even head higher up the hierarchy here towards the very end of the year, potentially hitting about 40 to 50 cents as I mentioned earlier, or even higher than 52 cents, meaning we will be heading into the top tier level. But again, we've still got a long way for that, and again, anything can happen in between that time, as cryptocurrency is a very volatile market, and that is why I tend to keep you guys updated on a daily basis on the crypto market in general. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Gala, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave it a like, and also I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year, and it's free to subscribe, so why not go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.